there you have it, the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange, capping off another week of trading on Wall Street. The Dow closing out the week strong, up about 830 points.
The S&P is up about 2.5%, while the NASDAQ is up around 3%. Wow. So let's bring in Ellis Phifer, Managing Director of Fixed Income Research at Raymond James. Ellis, big day. Wow, up over 800 points. What drove the market so high today?
Indeed. I think we're in one of those periods where, it's an odd period where bad news, at least a little bit of bad news, is actually good news for the market. So, we're looking at potential with the, some of the weaker numbers and some of the hottest parts of the economy, such as housing, for instance, showed a pretty good weakness today in pending home sales. We had some weakness in economic numbers yesterday. All of those tell us that maybe the Fed is closer to the end than the beginning. And with the Fed's announcement next week, all this news coming in right ahead of that meeting tells us, well, we're closer to the end than the beginning. That the tightening that the Fed has had, the raising of rates, is actually having the impact that they're looking for.
That's welcome news.
Welcome news indeed. Well, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, a key inflation gauge from the Commerce Department, shows prices were up 6.2% last month compared to the same time last year. Alice, how do you think the Federal Reserve is reacting to these numbers ahead of its decision next week on possibly raising interest rates?
The good news is there was no real big surprise. Last year about this time, we were seeing that acceleration in inflation. So the numbers are going to be a little bit harder to exceed. It's going to be harder for inflation to surprise to the upside. So, the Fed understands that. And so, without any big surprises in the data, I think the Fed will feel more comfortable that the work that they've done is now starting to show up in the economy.
All right, so since things are cautiously looking up, right? We don't want to get ahead of ourselves here. Right. You think there's a chance that the Fed won't raise interest rates by another 75 basis points as expected? I mean, would you expect perhaps a less aggressive rate hike?
No, I think they'll go 75 basis points. And when we're this close, especially, the market is really good at expectations of the Fed. And the Fed, discusses a lot, talks a lot about being independent, but, they also understand the impacts of the market that they can have. And when they pull a big surprise, there better be a really good reason for it. And at this point, there's not that big reason. They're still going to need to talk tough, even when they pause interest rate hikes, and they will pause at some point. They're going to need to talk tough about inflation. And, we're at the ready to do what we need to do if inflation should come back and surprise us. So I think 75 basis points is still very much on the table for next week.
All right. Well, the Dow closing up, as we say, more than 800 points. A good way to end this week. Ellis Phifer. Alice, thanks very much.
Thanks, Alice.
Thank you.